In this video, I'll show you how to buy an Amazon gift card with PayPal. So to do this, you cannot actually use the Amazon website itself because it doesn't allow for PayPal as a payment method. So instead, you want to go with an external website such as mygiftcardsupply.com, but the options kind of differ per country. So what you can do is just search for buy. So what you want to search for is just buy Amazon gift card with PayPal, and then depending on your country, a few options will appear. From there you can just do some research to see if they are legit. For example, Bundle I think is legit, and then you also have My Gift Card Supply, and there are a few other options. But for example, if you're from the US, mygiftcardsupply.com will work. So they're just gonna select an Amazon gift card, and then here select the amount you want it to be for. So for example, $50, and then you can either gift it to someone or buy it for yourself. So I'll click on gift. So then here enter your friend's name, email, and a message if you want, and they can choose to gift it now or later. But for this example, I'll just go and click add to cart, but again, you can also gift it. Now from there, click checkout. And now here you need to enter your email address and verify you are human, and then send a one-time code to verify that it is your email address. Then also enter your first and last name and choose a password, and then verify that you are human. Then from there, just going to enter the verification code that was sent to your email and click verify code. Then you have created an account, and now under payment method, you can go and select PayPal. And then from here you can click pay with PayPal, and then it will redirect you to PayPal where you can go and sign into your account and actually make the payment. And after you make the payment, then the gift card will be sent to your email if you didn't set it as a gift, or if you did set it as a gift, it will either be sent now or on a specific date, whichever one you selected. So that's how to buy an Amazon gift card with PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.